Namaste, welcome to Pradeesha food recipes. Today I have come up with egg curry. Let's quickly get started. In a pan, pour some oil, add little turmeric, mirchi powder, dhania powder and little salt. Saute it until all the spices are blended with oil properly. Now we can add previously boiled eggs. Saute until you see a crispy texture over the eggs. So this process will enhance the taste of eggs. If you don't want, you can just avoid it, but it's good to have. Now you see that the eggs are blended properly with the masala. Now in another pan, pour some oil. Once oil heated, add mustard, cumin seeds, once it stops crackling, you can add finely chopped onions. Now saute it. Now you can add some green chilies. I took about 5 green chilies. Now cook until onion turns translucent and change the color. Now add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell goes away. Now add finely chopped tomatoes. I took some 5 large tomatoes. Add some curry leaves, little salt, cover it and cook for about 10 minutes. Keep stirring in between. Now we see the tomatoes are cooked properly. Add mirchi powder. You can adjust as per your taste. Add dhania powder, fennel powder, cumin powder and little garam masala. Saute it until all the tomatoes are mixed properly with the masalas. Now add some crushed garlic. This will give the extra flavor. If you don't like adding at this stage, you can add it in the beginning itself. Now add some water and cook about for a minute. And you can add the eggs which we fried earlier. And mix it properly. Now cover and cook for about 5 minutes. Now you see the oil is separated from the curry. Now add coriander leaves and serve it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed my recipe. If so, please like, share and comment, and do please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.